Okay, this is a video of number 1 Wisborough Road. It's a 4-bedroom student house. Opening the door. So nice white clean hallway, laminate floor, spotlights, and then the downstairs sitting room is at the front of the house. Got wooden slat blinds, 2 sofas, a featured fireplace and a TV with a little cupboard. So that's a cosy sitting room for somebody. Walking down the hallway, and the downstairs bedroom, bedroom number 4, has a nice window overlooking the garden, so it's nice and bright. And inside the room you've got your desk and table. You've got some storage built in, which is original for extra space, and also a wardrobe and a 4 chest and mirror. Coming up, that's the stairs going up, and downstairs lobby area with understairs cupboard. This is the kitchen. So we've got a modern fitted kitchen with white worktops, microwave, nice and bright, big window, sink, plenty of storage, built-in fridge freezer, table with 4 chairs. Then there's a lobby area at the back where you've got your washer dryer, bit of storage for washing, and then this door leads into the downstairs toilet and bath with a shower over. So that's a nice big vanity unit, mirror, tiled walls, tiled floors, and a heated tail rail. So there we go, a quick sneak outside with the back garden, big south-facing garden, with a patio area, decking, tables and chairs there. So going back to the kitchen, take you upstairs. Half landing with a window. Coming up, then the room, bedroom number 3 at the back of the house. In here, it's a double bedroom. It's got a nice view over the garden, nice and bright. Place to put in a TV there with an aerial socket. There's wardrobe, double wardrobe, full-length mirror, double bed, with storage underneath, and a bedside table. Coming along the upstairs corridor, the middle room, bedroom number 2. Again, it's got a nice big window with a view, south-facing view of the garden. You can look out, lots of air in, lots of light in. You've got your desk, chair, filing cabinet. There's a wardrobe in the alcove. You've got a 4 chest of drawers and a fitted cupboard which has got hanging space inside, and also a drawer space, full-length drawers to the left-hand side. Coming through again, and then the bedroom 1, which is the one at the front of the house upstairs, is again a double bedroom. It's got the same as all the others. They've all got double beds, divan beds with a headboard. This one's got a fitted cupboard as well, which is the original cupboard, which has got half hanging and half, I will open it, same as the other one. It's space so you can put jumpers and store things. And again, there's wardrobe and desk, chair and filing cabinet. There you go. Number 1 Wisborough Road, 4-bedroom student property.